than that, guys, she's very smooth, guys. Look at that. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with the Mustang, guys. We're gonna start with the Mustang. Go right to the field. Forgot the fact that I got landing gear on here as well, guys. I forgot this plane at all. It's always just in the background, guys. I know you guys see it all the time. This is actually the plane in the intro where I ran inverted, guys. So yeah, there's no wind, guys, so it really doesn't matter where I take off. I just want to make sure my controls are all perfectly. Okay, everything seems to be pretty good. Okay. Okay. And we're good, guys. Everything's good. Let's see where that plane is at, because these planes be flying close. It's up there. All right, let's go. Smooth, guys. I got a 20 amp on there. Got to trim her out a little bit to the right, guys. There you go. She looks so perfect, guys. Now I'm using a 2200 on here, guys. She's flying so scale right now. Let's go for a low pass. Presentation pass. She's so smooth, guys. Forgot how smooth this plane flies, guys. Now I'm using a 1300 kV motor, guys, with a 20 amp and 945 prop, guys, and she's so smooth. Now I haven't hit half throttle yet, guys. Not yet. Simply because the motor shaft is a little bent, guys. But other than that, guys, she's very smooth, guys. Look at that. Very docile, guys. See if we could touch the floor. Ah, that was nice, guys. There you go. That's the only reason I like landing gear, guys. Yeah, guys. She definitely does tricks. I just like flying her so smooth, guys, because she looks so real. It's just that she's just a little bit small. Smooth, guys. Let's bring her in for another low pass, and then let's bring her in for landing, guys. I think I'm ready to just fly. Alright, guys, let's bring her in for a landing. Smooth, guys. I love this plane, guys. I really love it, guys. I truly love it.